Finally, at the end of this program, we need to tell the user that they ran out of money and they can no longer purchase any item. So what I can do is say console write line, you no longer have enough money to purchase anything. I don't know anybody who would sit at a vending machine until they were broke, but that's what this program requires. So let me go ahead and run the program, and I'll run through it one more time, and then we'll get moving on. So let's enter how much money I have. Let's say I have $5,000, and it says I have $5,000. Let's buy a Hello World. Oops, invalid input. Okay, let's buy a 5. Nope, 5 isn't a valid item. So let's buy a Coke. I purchased a Coke for $3, and my money was successfully reduced by how much a Coke is. So let's buy a Mountain Dew and another Mountain Dew, and okay, I have to buy a lot of Mountain Dews to get this money down to 0, so I'm going to close that out, open this back up again, and say, let's say we have $200. So let's buy a Mountain Dew. Now I have $100. Let's buy a Pepsi. I now have $90. Now let's try to buy a Mountain Dew, and it says you tried to purchase a Mountain Dew, but you do not have enough money, and now it says you have $90. So now the only item I can purchase is a Pepsi. So if I go down to $10 by purchasing a bunch of Pepsis, I can now go and try to buy a Coke. It says you purchased a Coke for $3, you now have $7 left. If I try to buy a Pepsi or a Mountain Dew, it'll tell me I can't. All I can do is buy a Coke. So now I have $4, but watch what happens when I buy one more Coke. It says you purchased a Coke for $3, and now I no longer have enough money to purchase anything because I only have $1 left.